Hi, it's Justin Haynes, CEO of Great Divide Mining. We are here at the primary crushing circuit at the Challenger Gold Mine. This is the primary crusher, a big jaw crusher, crushing the ore for the first time and putting it onto this conveyor belt where it goes up to the double deck screen. Anything that is smaller than about 10 millimeters goes straight out onto the ore stockpile. The rest of the ore that is still oversized comes across and goes through the secondary cone crusher. And that material, after it has been crushed a second time, that's this fine material here, comes back onto the same belt and heads back up to be screened again. Everything working perfectly, somewhere in the order of about 20 to 25 tonnes per hour can go through Challenger's primary crushing circuit. Here is Challenger's ball mill in operation. This is the final crushing step before the ore enters the processing hall to have its gold extracted. You won't be able to see inside the ball mill, so here's a little animation of what's happening inside. What you have here is a large rotating steel drum partially filled with crushed ore from the primary crushing circuit and big steel balls, each a couple of kilograms in size, a bit like a cannonball. The bolts you can see outside the drum are to hold a protective internal liner in place to protect the walls of the rotating drum. The slope of the rotating drum, the number and weight of the steel balls, the speed of rotation and the time the ore spends inside the ball mill all need to be accurately calculated and adjusted to get the right grind size. When the ore comes out, it looks like fine sand with particle size less than about 0.5 millimetre. Sometimes you can take it even finer than that. Next, the finely crushed ore goes into the processing hall to extract the gold. But you'll need to watch the next video to have a look at that one.